Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now planes. Plane is very important, and every student should know about plane because this is also important for anatomical point of view. So, first of all, we are very familiar with this name cross section, also known as transverse plane. My spelling is very loose, so you can check in your textbook, or you can also Google it. So, cross section or transverse plane. What is transverse plane and cross section? Everyone should know, like this angle is only shows the transverse plane, but is not at all. We must know about these concepts to know about the planes. So first of all, consider like suppose this is an organism, like men, and this is very heavy. Okay, this is an organism. Suppose first of all, for cross section or transverse plane, we must find the anterior posterior axis. Anterior, what is anterior point? Anterior point is the head point of any organisms. Sphalic head or sphalic portion is anterior portion, and end of the body portion, or we can say caudal portion, is the posterior portion. So we know that this is its anterior posterior axis, AP axis, anterior posterior. Once we know the anterior posterior axis, we can find we can say we can shows the cross section or transverse plane, and we can easily find the what is the cross section or transverse plane actually. So anterior posterior axis, this one, the cross section or transverse plane is always right angle to the anterior posterior axis, always right angle to anterior posterior axis. This is the definition of transverse plane. Simple. Right angle to anterior posterior axis. For this, we first know about the anterior head portion, the posterior end portion of an organism. So here we have this, and I can cut this plane. So this shows the transverse plane, or we can say cross section, which is 90 degree to AP axis. Suppose also here some organisms looks like something like this. Okay, so first of all, I said that we must know about the anterior posterior axis. So what is this anterior posterior axis? This is head portion, and this is anterior posterior axis. So I told that right angle to the anterior posterior axis we have cross section. So here this. So this is not at all like this one is only the cross section. Also, it's depend upon the organism shapes or organism anterior posterior axis also. So cross section, what? The right angle to the anterior posterior axis. What in the anterior portion, like the head portion, the sphalic portion, and posterior axis at the end of the body or the caudal end. Next we have frontal plane. What is frontal plane? Horizontal and also longitudinal. Okay, what is for horizontal like this? Not at all. Frontal, horizontal and longitudinal plane, this is along the direction of AP axis. First thing, along the direction of AP axis. It means in the direction of AP axis. Like if the AP axis direction is this, horizontal plane, longitudinal plane, frontal plane must be in this direction. And if the AP axis is in this shape, frontal, horizontal, longitudinal must be in direction of this axis. But actually what horizontal plane and frontal plane and longitudinal plane along the direction of the AP axis, but right angle to dorsoventral side. Here I can't draw the 3D pictures, but I can try to understand you, try to teach you. Right angle to the dorsoventral side. What is the dorsal and what is the ventral side? The belly side of an organism, front side of an organism we can say is the ventral side, and back side of an organism is the dorsal side. Suppose here I have a book. Consider this book like this, or we can say it like this. This is an organism. We know this is its anterior part and this is its posterior. Like this is the anterior posterior axis in this direction. In this direction. This is in anterior posterior. And I told that frontal, horizontal and longitudinal plane is always in the direction of the AP axis. So this plane directed from top to bottom. First thing clear. Now the dorsal ventral side. This is the dorsal ventral side and this is the dorsal side. So this one is the dorsal ventral side. So what the condition? Right angle to the dorsal ventral side. This is the dorsal ventral, and what is the right angle? This. And when we cut in face to the frontal side, so we can say this is the frontal plane, also the horizontal plane and also the longitudinal plane, which is direction in the AP axis but right angle to the dorsoventral side. This is the dorsoventral side and this is its right angle. So if we cut like this, we can say this is the dorsoventral side, or and we can say frontal horizontal. And sometimes if the organisms look like this, so this is its ventral side and this is its dorsal side, and also its axis, anterior posterior axis. So we can say this is the dorsal ventral and this one is the horizontal plane. So also we just know about the anterior posterior axis and dorsal or ventral side, and frontal plane is always the right angle to the dorsal ventral side. Now the second last is vertical plane. Vertical, very easy. Vertical plane also along the direction of AP axis as same in frontal plane, but also here along the direction of AP axis, also along the dorsoventral. What's mean? Like this is AP axis and also the direction of this plane is according to the AP axis, and this is its dorsoventral side. This in frontal case we call that this is the right angle to the dorsoventral, but here we simply say that along the dorsoventral. So this plane also has this side, so we can cut in this shape along the dorsoventral side and also according to the direction of AP axis. So we can cut here many times, and this is vertical plane. But what is the sagittal plane, which is very important in the bilateral symmetry? Sagittal plane is mid of vertical plane, only the mid of vertical plane. We know this is vertical plane and only the mid of vertical plane is sagittal plane, and also mentioned in the bilateral symmetry. In textbook, not the name of plane mentioned, and there is mentioned only if one plane can pass the organism into two equal halves, we can say this is the bilateral symmetry. But the plane is very specific, and that is sagittal plane. And what is the sagittal plane? Mid of the vertical plane. So we discussed about the sagittal plane, vertical plane, frontal, and the cross section, or we can say transverse plane. Very easy concept. Right angle to the AP axis is cross section or transverse. Right angle to the dorsoventral side is horizontal, longitudinal, or frontal plane. Along the dorsoventral side is vertical column, a vertical plane, and mid of the vertical is sagittal plane. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.